Check this out. So this tree's got like ripples on it. Just had some bobs.
Aha!
Bob! Dairy something. Got a triple bacon cheeseburger with ham and like some ground beef stuff on it. It was amazing. I'm full. Back in the woods. Got 2 bags of chips for a resupply. And yeah. So I just stayed the night at Mountaineer Shelter. It's kind of cool. It's a 3-story shelter. I got to stay up on top. It was a little warm, so that was fun. We're off to see Waterfalls today. Gonna do like 18 miles, I think, maybe more. Yeah. Just walking along and we come across a bench and a little view. Ta-da! So we just stayed the night at Concora Hostel. It's a pretty cool place. Got to meet Bob Peoples, which is a pretty cool dude.
Great man.
If you ever get a chance to stay there or just meet him, make sure you do it. We had there's like a leftover potato and Spam and cheese and stuff, so we made like a nice breakfast casserole.
He gave us some eggs.
He gave us eggs too, yes. And we went to Subway yesterday, and it was just a good day, period. So off the trail today, gonna see Laurel Falls in a little bit, and then we're gonna do 24 miles, so good stuff.